conversation, then magsulod si mami na may magsulod si mami na ay, oy, wala. Ito na ko gituyo. Why am I here? What's in the ay, mo ba na niya? Basta na niya. What is the time? Grace, pagkakaklaro, Grace. Grace.
Hala na nang tag-iya.
Bila kaya, no?
Hala mo.
Where? There! Where up? There! It's an airplane! Yeah! You're not just... Hey, where's that airplane?
La.
Go! What are we doing here? Hey, nag-start na ako doorbell. Ako na.
Pag doorbell na go, Darbs.
Agad niya ba? What? Nag-start na. Ano ha? Started.
Nag-start na kaganiha pa. And when the broken-hearted people living in what agree.
Yay! You don't have to start first. Her mercy because yes, I'm your
Murag na ako yung nagtingog.
for these two will go out tonight.
Tawag yung mama ba?
Go out without you. Don't remember how to.
Gotta be late. Kasi,
Now girls gotta have.
Paulin na, nalagay ko sa ano. Now if you like my outfit, I'm nag-videohan na kasi.
Abe! Next house!
Ayaw pa!
Oy, tala!
Bigay, i-post na natin sa YouTube.
Hey, what are you doing? Hi, dami ako kay Gio. I can see you. Where's the pussy? Sige, wala pa sila na.
Wala na, nang tag-iya. Don't know, I don't care. Who cares?
Where's the pussy? Here's the pussy. Huh? Here's the pussy. And here's the pussy. Okay, then right if you left it. Look, we can get inside without the pussy.
Mura mo mga tala.
Hey, Mercy. To me. Here. After the... It's here. I said it's you made a climb after the gate so that we can get inside. Okay. Go. Go, Master. Go, Master.
Go, Master. Go, Master.
Hey, yes, because
Ito ay ang akyat bahay.
Akyat bahay.
Akyat bahay. That was Multiverse episode Akyat. Akyat bahay.
Kanina pa tanagsak ka na baka nag-intro. Hey!
Uwa.
Bye-bye. Mag-ulan ako. Mag-video ko sa kalsada. Hindi na pagsurat-surya mo.
Go home, girls. Yes, yes. I want to go home. Hey, why am I holding this thing? Mercy, you must hold this one because it's your thing. What? Guys, the thing is owned by yours. No, it's not mine. It says Saya Elaine Gamad. See, it's not mine. It's Saya Elaine Gamad. Elaine Gamad. It's not mine. It's not mine.
Malagote, Anin.
Gamad. What are you doing to my face? Hey, I said this thing is owned by Sarah. Tiki, Sairi. Hey, your hair is so...
Gulo.
I know.
Gulong-gulo.
Shoot. Ah! Acceleration effects na.
friend.
I'm ignorant, so myself is my best friend.
Yes!
Not good, not good. Not good. I can be a friend of mine. Of mine.
Buang Diyos.
Mine is a song, right? Hey, what's that?
Bigyan ako. Oh, yes, that's Hangul of Jollibee. You know that?
My friend's friend. Yeah, you're humble too. I'm not humble. Look, we're talking which means you're both best friends. I'm not a hangul. I'm angol. Oh, we're best friends. No,
Because you're all ignorant.
you're hangul. I'm angol. What's angol? Another kind. What? Another
Buang.
kind. Another kind. Another kind of hangul. Angol. So we're best friends. No, we're not. But because
We're best friends.
Angol are not. Angol is ignorant. And ignorance is my best friend. Is angol, not hangol. But you said angol is an everyday term. And not my term.
Wala tayo sakyanan, me. What are you doing?
Hey, baka madala mo din yan. Madala mo din yan. Ew, hey, baka madala mo yan. Don't care. Ew, she's so old. What? What bang bang?
Sige. Sige.
Maybe I'm just a little bit and I know.
10 minutes, mag-stop na ni 8 minutes na good.